Hello everyone and good morning. Guys, raise your hand and say good morning, please.
Good morning, Vikas.
Good morning, Sindhu. Good morning, Parth. Good morning,
Good morning,
Chandra.
Vikas. Morning.
Surendra. Yep. Sarika. Cool. Guys, as soon as you will unmute yourself, I will get to know that you want to talk with me. Okay. So don't directly speak. Unmute yourself. As at this point, Mayank, Parth, and Rohit has unmuted himself, right? So as soon as you will unmute, I will get to know and I will allow you to talk with me. Okay. We will follow this simple rule. Okay. Cool. And guys, welcome. This is the day one for us. What exactly we are going to do? We are going to start our new batch, which is the batch 28, and it has been started from today itself. Okay. And this is the detail. If you want to refer any of your friends, just tell him that come to my website, come to our website. Okay. Now we are a group. Okay. Come to our website and then get the details are available here. He can click here and they can register for us. And if you want to see some previous videos of previous batch, some videos are already on YouTube. You can click in this link and you will reach out to my YouTube channel and you can see some videos, some starting videos, or how students has learned in the last 30 days. Okay, when the batch has been started and within 30 days how much they learned it, and some starting of the what we can say placements are available here. This is what the very last batch. Okay, and I will make a success story very soon for the batch 27 again within the next 15-20 days, and you will see the placement there. Okay, cool. And this is the batch which we are going to start from today. And this is the AWS plus DevOps batch. It's an online training plus placement program. When I'm talking about the online means we like this. I hope you are able to see my screen. I hope you are able to see me, right? Yes or no? Yep. Rohit,
Yes.
okay. So it's a live online LED based training. I will be always with my own camera. Okay. And I will explain you the things. And we will strictly follow the device syllabus. Now, what is the device syllabus? If you will click here, the syllabus is available into this link. Okay. Why we have kept into the Excel? Because it will be very easy for me to maintain. And this is primarily for the batch 28. You will see here batch 28, which is started from today. And you will see that it's a 50+ hour live training like us. Okay. And we are providing the workshops, practicals, top 10 AWS services. Like if you want to write anything, I can write like this: top 10 AWS plus services plus 9 modules wise training. What is 9 modules wise training? Because you are going to become a DevOps engineer, so you have to learn a lot of things, right? And that all things I'm going to teach to you. And you will see here lot of things means as a roadmap what you have to learn from day one and how much duration it will be required and how much you have to learn which tool. That all things I have already decided. This is your syllabus in the day one. Let me make it completely white. Okay, because we are going to start from today. It should be very white. Okay, and everything should be I'm doing in front of you because I will make it green as soon as it will get completed. Okay, some topic which we have discussed already in our yesterday or day before yesterday or some last workshops. That's why I made it green, especially in front of the screen. Sorry, my bad. This should be green and this part should be white. Okay, yeah, looks good. This is again a green. Let me make it black. Okay, yep. And we are going to start this from today itself. Means today's agenda will be day one. What all things has been written into the day one, we will complete it. Tomorrow we will talk about day two. Whatever things has been written into the day two, we will cover up. Means here and there little bit, if I miss something, you can let me know in the WhatsApp group as well. I have already created the WhatsApp group for batch 28. I can show it to you guys or to everyone as well. Where exactly it is? Yeah, here is the group. Okay, for batch 28. Whoever has already registered with me, okay, you are already here. Okay, at this point I have 5 students, so I'm still waiting for some more students to join me. Okay, and we will use this group primarily for our all the communication, okay, which you want to do it on the WhatsApp. Okay, and for the technical things, okay, for the technical things or for the placement related things or for the where I will give you the referrals, we have a classroom. Okay, I will show that also. We have a Google Classroom platform where we will talk the technical things. Here, if you want to post anything very quickly, you can post here and you will get an answer. okay, with everyone. Okay, if you want to connect with your all the batches, you can connect into this place. That is a WhatsApp group which we have already created. Okay, yep. See here, this is the roadmap which not only me, okay, experts like me or my students, as per their demand, I have created this syllabus. Okay, this is the roadmap. As soon as you will join, first we will discuss about the DevOps fundamentals, what exactly the DevOps is, how much they have to learn, what are things they have to learn, and what exactly the DevOps is, means the roots of the DevOps we will discuss into this place. Okay, plus DevOps plus operation related activities plus development related activities we will discuss here. Okay, and that we will do into the very first day, first, second, and third day. Okay, so that you will be aware, you will be familiar about the things, because we are not like that we have to start AWS so that I can jump directly into the AWS. If I will teach directly AWS, the person who are migrating the, what we can say, their domain, okay, they will not able to pick the things. Some freshers, they are not able to pick the thing. Even some experienced person, if we will directly start with AWS, if they don't know the base, why they are learning the AWS, why they are learning the DevOps, why they are coming into this profile, if they don't know how they will survive it, right? Directly learning the AWS will not help you out. Directly learning the DevOps will not help you out. You have to understand the thing. First, you have to understand cloud. First, you have to understand data, what we can say, data centers. If you will understand that, then only you will able to understand the things. Okay, so what I want from you guys, I want you to understand the base roots first, then we will come into the learnings. Okay, learning will be definitely happen, you don't have to worry. If you want to see how much my students has learned with me, you can go here in my website, student learn in the 30 days. Okay, means today is the 12th of December, 12th of January I will make the presentation for you guys also, and you will see, and not only you, others will also see that how much you have learned with me. Okay, some students already learned with me, some details are already here. You can have a look into this, what we can say, into this videos as well. Okay, this we have very recently started, so only 2 videos are there, but 3 hours video and 2 hour video is there where the student presentation is there. Must check it, you will be very satisfied with that. Okay? And then, as you know, the base of any of the profile, okay, if you will be a system engineer, IT support engineer, or Linux admin, Windows admin, or any type of administrator, or you want to work into the IT, if you don't know the basics of Linux, it will be very difficult. Okay, so we will teach you the Linux, the basics of the Linux, as well as on the administrator level till the DevOps engineer, how much the DevOps engineer has supposed to be aware about it, we are going to explain that also. Okay, and that's a separate module 2. After you will be learning the Linux, means at least 1 year or 2 year of IT experience will come to you. Okay, and then we will start the AWS with the top 10 AWS services. Which all top 10? Here is the details about it. Okay, this is the module 3. What are services, with what practicals we will do it. Wherever the mention the practical, I will perform in front of you, and I will perform everything in front of you. You don't have to worry. I will give you all the codes. I will give you the step by steps for how to perform the things, everything. If you get stuck anywhere, no need to worry. You can ask any of the question, like today or like tomorrow, any of the session, at the end of the session, you can discuss with me, you can share your screen, whatever you want, how you want to ask the question in different languages as well, you can ask with me. No need to worry for that. Plus, we will do some workshops as well, like every weekend or every 2 weekend or 3 weekend, we are doing some workshop. You can come into that workshop also, you can learn some extra thing. Plus, if you have any doubt, you want to share your screen, you can, I will give you the screen sharing access also. You can share your screen and you can ask the questions as well. If you get stuck anywhere, you can let me know, or you can help you can post the question into the WhatsApp group, so that people will, you can ask the question, and someone who have already achieved it, he can help you out. Okay, I don't have to come everywhere in middle. If you are getting stuck, I will come, or my experts will come and help you out. Is that okay? Till now you are okay, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, Vikas.
Okay. And then as soon as our AWS part will get completed, we will come into the module 4, that is a DevOps part. Okay, means first we will start with the AWS, and then we will come into the DevOps part. Raghu, can you mute yourself, please? And as soon as we will come into the DevOps, the very first tool, Git and Jenkins will come into the picture. And Git is required into the installation into the laptop, And rest, I don't think so. We have to install anything. Okay. Raghu, I'm muting you. Okay. So only the Git has to be installed in our laptop and some Terraform one binary file. Nothing else. Okay. Very rarely 2-3 softwares or 1 or 2 more extra softwares you have to install in your local machine. If your laptop is old, 4 GB or 6 GB RAM also, that is also fine. You don't have to worry. Okay. No need to purchase any laptop. No need to purchase any heavy laptop. Okay. If you have a basic laptop desktop, it's enough. If your Zoom is working, plus you have an internet connection, that's enough. Okay. Cool. And then we will jump into the DevOps part. We will learn Git, Jenkins for the development activities or for the DevOps activities. Plus Docker and Kubernetes, that is a module 5, that is primarily for the experienced person. If you have 2+ experience or you want to join as a 2+ or 3+ experience as a DevOps engineer, this will be help you out. Here I'm mentioning in very clearly. Yes, Docker, you can, as a fresher also, you have to be aware about it. Okay. Kubernetes for 3+ experience, it's required. So we will discuss Docker and Kubernetes in module 5. Then we will come to the module 6, that is Prometheus and Ansible and Terraform. That is whatever we have developed till now, whatever the softwares or applications we have developed till now, we will make the automation of that with the help of Ansible and Terraform. Anyone here in this group who is already aware about what is Ansible and Terraform? Have you heard these softwares, tools? No one? Then it's very good. Okay, I will teach everything. Yelsi, you want to say something?
No, sir. I haven't heard it.
Okay, no worries. Okay, cool. I will take everyone's into what we can say a small introduction as well, so that I will get to know my students as well. Okay, and then we will come into the Prometheus and Grafana. Whatever we have developed with the automation manual or anything, we have to monitor that environment as well, right? We will monitor with the help of Prometheus and Grafana. After module 7, there is a very important thing, student choice. Whatever, if you want any of the topic, because till this time I feel you will become matured, right, into the cloud and DevOps. After 45 days, around 2 months, okay, you will be mature. So there is a student choice because you have already given some interviews. Okay, and then you want to say that I have faced this new topic which is not in this syllabus. You can let me know. I will prepare it. Okay, and I will explain to you. Okay, if I was not able to do it, I will bring someone who can do as a guest lecture to you in that particular topic. It can be anything. It can be Azure DevOps, it can be AWS, it can be any tool, whatever you want. Okay, but majority should majority means group should say that yes, we want to learn. What I feel from the last couple of batches, people want to see the AWS DevOps or migration topic. Okay, that I'm already aware about it. You don't have to worry. Plus, some people say that AWS Lambda is getting very popular. That's okay. I will teach. If some students say that we will write to some certification and that required a free of cost in my resume. Free of cost. Okay. Some global certification. Then you can use, I will take the class of the Splunk and I will help you out for the free global certification for the Splunk as well. Okay. It will be good for you. Okay, at least one certificate will written in your resume. Plus, I will, and you can choose anything, whatever you want. It can be 1 day, it can be 2 days. I don't have any concern, but that topic we will cover up. Okay, is that good? Okay. Aditya, Aksha, Chanukya.
Yes, Vikas. Yes.
Cool, good. And then after completing this part, we are doing the little bit programming things as well, because in the DevOps, some keyword is dev, right? You have to be little bit familiar. You don't have to do the coding, never. You have to be familiar with the development environment as well. So I'm going to teach Linux Bash shell scripting plus Python for DevOps. I'm not teaching Python. I'm teaching Python for DevOps. How much Python is required to become a DevOps engineer? That much I'm going to teach. The reason behind it, in some of the job description, they may ask, they may not ask, but they are writing Python nowadays. So I'm going to explain to you. This Python is not a straightforward Python like write a hello world program. No, we don't have to do it. Okay, we have to do the automation. That part I'm going to teach. Means this Python with connecting with Boto or Python with some practicals, 30 practicals, okay, 30 Python practicals with Boto 3 integration, okay. If you don't know about Boto, no need to worry. I will just give a one-liner answer, okay. If you don't know anything, Boto, a Python interface to AWS. This is what we have to learn, okay. You don't have to learn Python, okay. Connectivity between AWS with the help of Boto, with the help of Python, that we will learn because that is a useful for us. They are mentioning Python. They don't need a developer. They need a person who can do the automation on the cloud with the help of Python, and that already things are available. You have to learn how to use it. That I'm going to teach. Okay. And that we are going to learn into the Python as well. Okay. Yeah. And then after this, yes, our projects will come into the picture. Whatever we have learned, okay, in the module line, whatever we have learned till now, we will implement into the project one. And don't feel that we will learn the project at the last. No. Okay. We will touch all the points, or we will create a big project at the last. But this thing, project one, we will start whenever, see, where is the CI/CD? Yep, you can see here. Practical 15, project 1, Java project Spring Boot application with Maven integration with CI configuration. Means some part we will develop it here itself. Okay, means in the day 20 or 24th around, you will be aware about it. Yes, this is our project, or you will get to know from the starting itself. We will take one DevOps sessions. Okay, in that I will explain you about the theory of the project, so that you will be understand in a better way for the practical, for the project as well. And this project is already coming into this place, okay, so that what will happen, you from this place itself you are aware what exactly our project is. And at this point we are talking about the CI here, and then after some couple of days we will make the CD of that as well with the help of complete DevOps tools. Okay, second project, it is a Anil, you have any question you want to say?
No, sir.
Okay, mute yourself, please. Yeah, and then we will come into the project 2. That project 2 is completely belong to the containerization, means a Docker and Kubernetes technology. Okay, it's an e-commerce microservice based application with multiple different level of codings: Java, Python, Go, .NET. Yes, we are in our project. These all languages are going to be used. That's why I'm telling it's a microservice based e-commerce website. Do you think that Python, or what it is, the Flipkart or Amazon, has been written in single language? No, they are written in multiple different languages. Okay, do you think that in the Flipkart company only Java developers are there? No, multiple varieties of developers are there. That's why we choose this project. A multiple varieties of things will be into the single project. So as soon as you will write into your resume, you will explain in an interview, the interviewer will be impressed that you know the wider range of the project. Okay, and then we will do the deployment on a Kubernetes cluster. I will teach also, no need to worry. And whatever I'm telling, every code, everything, I will give it to you. This PPT, whatever I will open in front of you, I will give it to you as well. Okay, and that all things will come into the, what we can say, into the Google Drive automatically. You don't have to worry. Plus the third one, first, we have learned the project with the help of DevOps tool. Second, on a Kubernetes. Third is completely on AWS with DevOps tool. Means in the AWS, 40 plus services or resources we are going to develop with the help of Terraform code into AWS cloud, with very easy approach that I'm going to explain to you. Okay, and yes, this is our project which is belong to completely AWS and DevOps. So we have 3 real-time projects which you can write in your resume, and the level of you, and you will become a DevOps engineer with the help of that. Plus, every Wednesday evening 9 p.m. I'm taking the mock interviews for my old batch students as well. If you want to join from this Wednesday itself, you guys are welcome. You can at least listen how the interviews are happening. Okay, so every Wednesday 9 p.m. we have a mock interviews. Plus, whoever want to go for a little early job, you can, I will help you out with the resume creation as well, and you can try it from whenever you want. Okay, it's not like we will create a resume, I will create your resume on the day 42, but it's not like that. If you want to go a little bit early, I will give you the some, what we can say, how you have to get a call, how you have to create a resume. I will give you that much detail, and then you can start from little bit early as well if you want. If you are already kind of prepared, experienced person, you can go ahead. It's not a big deal. So this is what we have a syllabus. Guys, have you have any question for the syllabus related thing? Aditya, Akshatra, Manoj, Mriyank, Chanakya, say something.
No, Vikas.
No, you are clear about the syllabus?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So guys who are going to join me, please bookmark this. It will be good for you. Otherwise, it will be always on the website. Okay. And I will download this syllabus also. Okay. In some couple of days, and I will upload in our batch 28 drive as well. Okay. And I hope, no, I haven't. Ajay, Anil, mute yourself, please. I have already created the video drive for batch 28. I have already created the, what we can say, PPT drive for batch 28 already. Okay. And I will give you the access at the end of the today class, at the end of the tomorrow class. 1 or 2 days, you don't have to worry. Okay. Within some couple of days, you will get this access automatically. You don't have to worry for that part. Okay. Yeah. And this is the program which we are going to start from today. 60 hours instruction based live training, 40% theory will be there, 60% practicals will be there. Okay. You are going to learn DevOps from the roadmap, means what we have decided that we are going into the straightforward order and we will follow that. Assignments will be there, means as soon as any of the module will get completed, you will get the assignment. You have to complete that also. That will be on the Google Cloud, or what we can say, that will be on the Google Classroom. Okay, we have a classroom access. We are going to provide that also. Do you want to see that? Yep, let me show. CLSS classroom.google.com. Okay, I haven't created a batch 28. Okay, but I can show you the batch 27 as well. Okay, this is batch 27. You can see here some student has been announced, some GCP role, what we can say, some placement related things will be available into this place. Okay, this is how the Google Classroom works, and some classroom assignments. Okay, for every student. See here, some assignments will be there and some more list is there. You have to perform the practicals as well. If you want to see which person has did which practical, not practical, like that, I can see here as well. See, assigned to 25, 5 students has completed that. Okay, so like that, and some have completed offline as well. Some students has completed on the Google Classroom as well. Okay, because if you didn't done the practical, you can post into the WhatsApp group, that is also fine. Okay, if you don't want to submit here, anything is fine. So like that, this type of things we are doing in the Google Classroom. This is for batch 27. I will create it for the batch 28 as well. Okay, the student marks and everything will be here. Okay, it's a very straightforward. How many students are there, how many marks, and all the things will be visible into this place. You don't have to see the marks for everyone. Okay, everything will be available here. Okay, that is for the everyone students. Okay, is that okay? Looks good. Assignments, exams will also be there. Yes, because you are learning something, you have to do the exams as well. Okay, if you don't want to do it, just do the practicals. That's really important for you. Okay, real-time projects will be there. Weekend workshop, like you have seen some weekend workshops. Last week we have done for the where is that option? Yeah, AWS services. Anyone here in this group have attended this workshop? Yesterday, day before yesterday, last week?
Myself, sir.
Yeah,
Sarika.
Sarika has attended, correct. Manas last week, I know.
Yeah, last week I did.
I remember.
Yes.
What about others? No, right? So guys, this type of workshop, we are arranging it. I will post this detail into my WhatsApp group as well as for my student as well. Okay. And this will be for the public. You can bring your friends as well. Okay. If they want to learn something free of cost. Okay. And plus interview preparation, as I told, every Wednesday, 9 p.m. we have an interview. So yes, you can come for the mock interview. Resume making, getting interview calls, uploading the profile into the Naukri, that I will help you out. PPT, recording, access, everything I will provide it to you for the lifetime. You don't have to worry. Good. And about this program, what, why, when, how, now, where, whatever the question you have, I will take care of the first, all the questions. Okay. Whatever the questions come in your mind in the today's session also, We will start at 9:15 our question and answer round. Okay, you can ask any question, whatever you want, technical, non-technical, anything. Okay. Do you provide Azure DevOps training and placement? No, Manu, I'm not providing it. I'm Azure certified, but I'm not providing it. Okay. And yes, with the help of this training, with my training, you will get a 24/7 community support, community into the Facebook and the WhatsApp support as well, because we are going to create a WhatsApp group as well. I have not only created for this batch, I have created for almost every batches. Okay, I will show you if you want. Batch BATCH-27. Yep, here is the batch 27 group. Okay, 8 a.m. IST. Batch 26 B26. We have written B26. B26. Okay, this is the batch 26. All the details will be here. Okay, and do you want to see the placements and all the things? You are most welcome. I'm into the group. I'm just here. And how to search it? Congratulations, CONGRA. Okay, you can see here. Abhishek, congratulations. Okay, why he's doing the congratulations? Because he's telling, hi all, I got one more offer. Means he already get placed somewhere. Okay, this time the role is DevOps engineer, and believe me guys, I got a salary hike more than 100%. Okay, but I'm not satisfied yet, because my approach toward the knowledge is always like dil mange more and all these things. Okay, like some students are really very happy. Okay, and if you will see here how many placements happen, you can see here CONGRA, congratulations. And why not coming? Yeah, Abhishek, congratulations, and a lot of things will be here. Okay, and if you will search with selected SELECT, see here, some more student. Hi guys, I got selected in two companies, one as a DevOps engineer, another as a cloud operation engineer. This is only we want, right? Yes, all the things are going like that only. So every batch you will see the placement like this. I have a lot of things, and I will make it this a small type of community so that we can talk with each other very easily here. Okay. And yes, this is what we are providing to you. And the reason behind it, you can share the things, you can share your knowledge, you can ask the question. If you get any good PPT, video, image, or whatever you got it from internet as well, you can post it here as well. It will be good. It will be for the knowledge sharing. Okay. If you are facing any of the technical problem, you can post into this group. Someone will help. I'm also here. I will definitely help you out. Okay. Like that, we are providing this support. Is that okay, Shubham?
Yes.
Okay, cool. And then I'm telling a community support. Okay, I will show you my community. Not please add me into the batch. Manoj, I will add you. You don't have to worry. Okay, I will add you. No worries. Okay, and then we will provide you the lifetime access for the class, documents, training, and recording. Yes, you want to see here how this is. Let me go into the batch 27 PPT drive. Okay, you can see all the PPTs, videos will be available here. Okay, this is the link. You will get it automatically to your email address. You don't have to worry. Okay, and if you will see here how many students have the access, yes, here is the access list. You will get it like this. I will take your email address and I will add you into the group, so that this is Google Drive. In the drive, always these PPTs will be available, not in my drive, your drive. Okay, you don't have to worry. Plus, whatever the recordings or whatever the classes will happen, their recordings will also be there. So that recording also I will upload into this place. Okay, if you will see here, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 5, day 7, all the days recordings will be here. Like day, how many days are there? Around 44, 45 days recordings will be there. 48 days recordings are there with project and everything, plus some extra recording, GCP account creation, because we are learning the hybrid cloud. So I will teach you how to create a GCP account as well. GCP account, how to create a Naukri profile. Okay, because everyone create the Naukri profile, but they are not getting a call. There is a reason behind it. Are you able to fetch the algorithm? You know the algorithm of Naukri? No, then you will not get a good calls. Okay, if you really need a good calls, then you have to create your Naukri profile in a better way so that you can get a call. And we will discuss this in our classroom. Interview discussion, tips and tricks, resume profile update. And these are the project 2, project 3, and referrals. I provided 1, 2, 3 referrals, resume Naukri profile, tips and tricks, workshop kind of thing. Because if you will see here in our syllabus also, there are workshops. Okay, you can see here workshop CI/CD, workshop AWS, workshop, Linux and systems. Okay, like that, we have lots of things which we are going to discuss. All the recordings I will provide it to you in your Google Drive as well. Is that okay? Say yes or no.
Yes, Vikas.
All
Yes,
okay.
yes, yes.
Aditya,
All
Anil,
okay.
Mayank, Pankaj. Pankaj, you have a question? Go ahead.
No, Vikas.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Guys, can we take a 1 minute break if you want to drink your water bottle or drink? Okay, just 1 minute break. Okay. Is it okay?
Yes, Vikas.
Please do it because I don't want anyone to run in between. Okay. That's why I'm explicitly giving 1 minute break. Okay. Only 1 minute. Please come back fast. Guys, I'm back. What about you? Manas, Manu, Parth, Rohit,
Yes, yes, I am here.
raise your hand, please. Okay, cool. Okay, cool, good.
Hello,
Yep. Okay.
there is one query.
Yeah, Aditya, go ahead. What's your query?
So, means my office timing is 9:30,
Okay.
and I have to prepare for from 8:15 like that for my office. So that is the problem for me.
I agree.
How can I manage something like that?
You are in shift or it's a fixed timing for you?
Yeah, it's a general shift.
It's a general shift. Okay. What I can do for you, you can join my batch. Okay. If you
Mm.
are not able to achieve it or you are not able to do with the bus or whatever it is, you can have a look into the recordings. You can ask the questions whenever you want. Okay. One part. Second, if you miss my batch also, you can come to my next batch free of cost. I will not charge you anything. If I will create a weekend batch, evening batch, you can come to my next batch also.
So that will be free.
Yes, that will be free. Okay.
That sounds good.
Yeah. Okay. You don't have to worry because sometime what will happen, my students will be into the shift or by any reason they missed it. So that it's my choice only. If I'm working with any consultancy or something like that, they are telling that no, you have to collect the fees with the student again. I told no, he is already my student. He already learned with me or he already enrolled me. So I will not charge him again for the same course. Okay. If let's assume I'm teaching something else, then definitely, but for the same course, you don't have to. One part. And secondly, my contacts with my student will be always, you can see in my WhatsApp, how many batch old student you want to talk? See, batch 13, 13. Where is the NISH? I'm talking to this person, Rajneesh. See, yeah, Saturday only, I talk with them. Like that, I'm talking with my old students also. Okay, it's not like that, and always.
So the thing is, means I am not aware of Linux, not aware of DevOps. Means
I'm going to
little bit aware of AWS only.
see, if you don't know Linux, okay, how you will able to do the work into the AWS?
Yeah, that's the means point.
Correct.
Yeah.
And lots of people are doing that mistake. Okay. So let's listen me for next half an hour. You will understand everything. Okay. Don't
Okay. Okay.
okay. Cool. Guys, I will provide you the recordings, PPTs, everything. All the tips and tricks related to the DevOps, I have to provide it to you. At the end of this sessions, I will provide you the certificate as well, the training certificate that you have done this much course in this duration and you have learned this all things with us. So this training certificate will be helpful for you to write in your resume. Plus all the interview related things, resume packing, resume preparation, resume making, interview questions, mock interviews, everything I will provide it to you. We will discuss in our workshop as well as we will discuss it in our mock interview sessions as well. You don't have to worry for that. And as soon as you are able to clear the mock interviews, you will able to clear any big MNC's interview as well. Plus, if you need any referral in any of the big companies like Flipkart, Amazon, Google, I'm providing it to you. Okay. I'm providing for Google as well as Amazon as well in my last batch as well. Okay. Do you want to see? I can show that also. Where is classroom? GOOGLE. Okay, it's not here. Amazon AMA. Yeah, see, this is the referral I provided for the Amazon as well. Diptam, see how I've provided the referral. Amazon, this is the person you have to talk with them. Diptam, okay, this is his mobile number. Urgent requirement for Amazon for AWS 10 services and strong Linux knowledge. This is their requirement. Okay, they are looking for the person with AWS 10 services. 0.2 AWS, what we can say for fresher, they are pulling as a support engineer or a cloud engineer for 0 to 2 years and 2 to 6 years as a cloud engineer. Just send this mail with my name. Okay, you will get a call kind of thing. Okay, and as well as they will verify your resume. If all looks good, they will give a call to you. It will be like that. Okay, and like that, I'm providing a big referrals as well. Okay, that's from my old students as well. Okay, because my some students are already into some companies. Okay, and this batch I'm starting from Google, what we can say Cloud DevOps Hub. This is the website. Here is almost all the details, whatever is required for you. My number, okay, my YouTube channel details, my some social media pages are also here. Batch 20th has been started. Some workshop detail is here. How to join, you have to click into the register and you have to go into the playlist if you want to see the last batch as well. Okay, plus complete syllabus is also here and some live recording of some previous batch 25-26 playlist is there where you can see their placements as well. Okay, because you can see here how the fresher got placed. This video is I have uploaded 3 months ago. And 2 months ago means every 1 month, after 2-3 months, I will again talk with my batch 27 student. After batch completion, I will talk with my, after 2 months, I will talk again where you are. Okay. And we will record these sessions. That is called a meet and greet session for us. And this all details will be available here. If you want to see, you can see this video as well. You will see where these people reached. Okay. Who joined me around 7 to 8 months back. Okay? Like that. These recordings are already here. And you want to see the success story, the placements and all these things, this all details will be here for my students and you can see any of the videos, whatever you want. Okay, like that in the classroom, we are recording it and you will get these details here. Plus some extra benefits like documents, tips and tricks, training certificate, and all these things we are providing to you, as well as the roadmap like learnings we are providing to you, as well as we have a Facebook community as well, which is around 53,000 members, DevOps engineers. Okay, some are others also joined it, but yeah, 53,000 DevOps engineers are there where you can discuss the thing or I can bring the referrals from here as well to you guys. Okay, this is my profile only and I'm the administrator or moderator of this group. Okay. Cool. And yeah, no need to see my profile. We are 53,000 DevOps professionals. DevOps engineer groups are there where you can get the 24/7 support as well. Okay, and what benefits I'm providing to you? If you miss any of my live classes, okay, you can join my another batch. I will suggest you join my immediate batch. Okay, it will be good for you. If you will come after 1 year, it will not be helpful for you. Okay, or for me, join the immediate batch. If you missed it anything, it will be always good. And you are getting the training from 10+ years of XP professional DevOps engineer. This is me. Okay, interview preparation, career growth, everything. I will bring my colleagues as well if you want, and they can also take your mock interviews as well. Tips and tricks related to AWS and DevOps, everything we are going to provide it to you. Plus, And now you are welcome for starting a AWS and DevOps journey. I am mentioning here journey. The reason behind it mentioning a journey because it's a start. You are going to start from now and it will never end, because if you come into the DevOps profile, definitely you will always think into the grow manner and you will learn lot of things. I'm mentioning it's a journey because it's not like within 2 months we will complete it. No, we are always see, I will bring my free workshop after 1 year also, or maybe possible after 2 years also. So you can come again and you can learn something. Okay, it will be like that. Okay. Manu, I will talk with you, no worries. And we are going to start our DevOps plus what we are going to start. Okay. We are going to learn the DevOps tool. Which all DevOps tool? Git, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Terraform. These all tools and their operations, means their configuration, installation, how they works on the AWS cloud. That is our plan. We are going to learn DevOps tools like Git, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Terraform, Workstream, lot of tools, okay? Around 10 plus tools and their operations, installation, configuration, how they works, what you have to do it, what you don't have to do it, how to do it. That all things we are going to learn on the AWS cloud. I hope the very first line is very clear. Agree? Can I give some real scenario, real-time point also here?
Yeah, I agree, but I have one doubt. How many projects in connecting the
How many?
projects?
I will provide you 3 real-time projects. Okay. Guys, see, if I will tell you that you don't have to learn or
Can
someone
you
is
repeat once?
3 projects. We are providing 3 projects.
Yeah, okay. Which one CI/CD project and
Uh, see, let me show it to you again. One will be the CI/CD project. That is a project one with the help of Java Spring Boot application and with the help of GitHub, Jenkins and Docker, and we will deploy this into the virtual machine. That is our CI project and CI and CD project. Is that okay, Raghu?
yeah, okay, cool, sure.
Okay. Second is a Kubernetes, means Docker and Kubernetes with Java, Python, Go and .NET coding. We are going to create a second project. It's a microservice based application project. Third is 40 plus AWS services with the help of Terraform into the AWS cloud. That is our third project. Raghu, your voice is breaking. Okay. And guys, this journey will definitely a challenging journey. And so the course has been created like that. Okay. You don't have to worry anything. It's my responsibility. I will deliver each and everything to you and you will understand the things. Guys, if you have a basic IT knowledge, it will be good. It will be helpful for you, but you don't have to worry. I will explain you each and everything. Okay. If you are a fresher, you are coming from the non-technical background, that also I will take care. Okay. Means I will help you out. What all things you have to understand. Let's assume in this group, any of the developer is here in this group. Any of the QA engineer is here in this group. No.
Yes.
Suraj, you are a QA engineer. How much is your experience?
Not much.
At least 1 year, 2 year, half year, 6 months,
Yeah, 7 months.
7 months. You are working as a QA engineer from the last 7 months. Whatever you have learned in the 7 months, is that possible? You can give a little bit overview to our group, Best 28 group?
Yeah,
Not
actually,
now, not now. After
Okay.
1 month, after 15 days.
Okay, yeah, sure.
You can, right?
Yeah.
It will be helpful for others who don't know what QA people do, right? And Suraj will provide that information to everyone. Anyone here who is working as a support engineer?
Myself, Sarika.
Sarika. Yeah, from the voice of Sarika, I can say that, yeah, she is a confident girl. Okay.
Me
And
also.
Aditya also, right? Aditya, how much is your experience?
1.4.
Okay. Sarika, how much is your experience?
1.9.
1.9, around 2 years you both have, right? So whatever you guys are doing from the last 2 years, if you will explain to this group, it will be good for everyone, right? They will get a wider knowledge for the support role as well. Agree? Let's assume someone is coming from the complete non-technical background. If you will get to know what support people do is how Linux work. They can add in your resume that from the last 6 months they are working into the support role. Is that possible for non-technical, complete non-technical persons?
Yeah.
Right, like that I will give you the brief knowledge from cross trainings as well. Okay, means whatever you are doing, can you explain into the group? Whatever others are doing, explain into the group, and we will learn the lot of things. Okay, we will cover up the top DevOps tools as well as top AWS services. Top 10 DevOps tools you can search into the internet, that I have already added. Top AWS services, you can go into the internet, check it, it's already into the course. If it's not there, add it. Bring any of the tool or bring any of the AWS service. I will explain you into this class as well. Okay. Freshers, IT beginners, you are also welcome. It will take a time, but definitely you can reach into your journey. Okay. The reason behind it, why I'm taking the freshers also into this batch, after 2 years, whatever you will earn, the other person will earn after 5 years. Okay. If you are a fresher, you know the learnings and you will able to reach it. Yeltsin is telling, I'm a fresher, I don't have much knowledge of coding. I don't need any coding experience. Okay, you are going to become a DevOps engineer. I don't want to make a developer. If you want to really want to learn the coding and all this thing, you can go to Java and Python classes. Okay, DevOps is not for you. If you really want to become a DevOps engineer, here very less coding or no coding, you can say very less coding will be required, and you can become a good salaried person into the IT. That's why you are coming into the DevOps profile and cloud profile. You will learn the things by doing the practicals and assignment. Without practicals, you will not able to learn it. You must have to do the practical. It will be very good. Okay.
So you will help out to means appear in AWS certification.
If you want to write the AWS certification, yes, I can help you out. Okay. Yeah. And this is a learning program which makes both 40% theory as well as 60% practical scenarios, real-time scenarios as well. Okay. Some practicals or some scenarios you will see into the tomorrow class as well. Okay. So don't miss it. Okay. Tomorrow also we have one good big picture practical. Okay. I will show it to you guys. Plus, as a pre-request, we will start our journey from the absolute beginner, means from very basic, all the things we are starting. No prior knowledge of AWS cloud, nothing required for me. Okay, I don't require any knowledge from you guys because I'm going to deliver all these things. Okay, we will start from the basics of cloud computing. Yes, cloud computing will come from the tomorrow sessions. Okay, so you don't have to worry. We are starting from a very basic, all the servers, data centers. Before reaching into the cloud, what all things will be there, virtualization, that all things also we will discuss, and then only we are starting learning the DevOps. Okay, and cloud journey. Let me close all these things. Unnecessarily it's open.
Hello, Sarji.
Yeah, Manas, go ahead.
Sarji, will you teach about PowerShell scripting? Little bit?
No, it's not required. Why you want to learn the PowerShell?
No, I thought.
You don't have the answer why you want to learn, and you are thinking about to learn.
I thought that is also required in DevOps.
Manas, if you will go to any profile, there are lots of things will be required.
Yeah.
If you want to learn AWS, 200 services are there in AWS.
Yes.
Practically impossible to learn anything. And if you will give a challenge to me, sir, I will learn after 5 years all the 200 services. I am ready to
Not possible.
challenge also after 5 years also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's not possible. If you will learn all the 200 services of AWS after 5 years also, AWS in the next 5 years, AWS will bring 200 new services also.
Yeah, they are like keep increasing.
Correct. Okay. See, there are 20 plus programming languages are there. No, not required. Okay, because we are not become a developer here. Okay.
Got it.
Okay. I know why you are asking the PowerShell, because Windows automation can be achieved with the help of PowerShell, right? And for Windows, we are not dealing much into the Windows. Okay. We have to deal with the virtual machines of the Linux primarily. Okay. Cool. Yeah. And we will provide the enough knowledge and real-time scenarios, everything, whatever you want. Top DevOps tools plus AWS cloud services, we are going to provide it to you. My primary intention is to create a community, which I have created a community of 50,000 members already. You don't have to worry. AWS groups, I am already started creating. My 28 batches groups has been created. Everywhere 20 members are there. The reason behind it, we will get a good community. If you require any help, any support, I can bring it from anywhere. Okay, that's my help. Okay, and we are targeting the individuals who really want to learn or who want to come into the cloud and DevOps technology. Okay, there are lots of reasons. I will give it to you why you have to become a AWS or cloud engineer. I will give. And regarding to the prerequisite, your laptop, if you are able to use the Zoom into the laptop with proper internet connection, you can use it for the entire journey as well. Not much. Okay, if you have a 4 GB of RAM with 100 GB of space, for us it's enough. Okay, because you don't have to download this video, nothing required. Everything will be available into the drive. You can access from your mobile phone as well. Okay, YouTube you can access from your mobile phone as well, right? Agree? YouTube and Google Drive, right?
Yes.
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 Recordings, if anyone want to see the recording, you can watch from your mobile phone as well. You don't have to worry. And you don't need a heavy laptop. Okay, if you will see my laptop also, it's not very heavy. Okay, it's not required. 8 GB RAM, I'm only using 8 GB RAM. Okay, and that is also enough for us. Okay, cool. So because most of the students, what will happen if I will not say they are joining the course and they will bring a new laptop of 70,000, 60,000. I don't want to waste your money, because we are going to learn everything into the cloud. Okay, so you don't need a very heavy laptop. Normal laptop, little bit good configuration will be always good. Nothing required. Okay, we are going to learn most of the thing into the Windows 10. I'm also using the Windows 10 only. Windows 10, Windows 11 is enough. If you are using Mac, that is also very good. Okay, you don't have to worry. Everything will be very similar. Is that okay? Related to the laptop or pre-request? Cool, good. Okay, and about me, my name is Vikas. Okay, I haven't updated the name here. Let me update my name. Sorry, I forgot it. Yes, Vikas Cloud DevOps Trainer, and I'm a certified Google architect as well as AWS architect solution as well. Okay, I have did the certification into the Kubernetes as well. That is a CKAD. Plus, I did my certification to the Linux as well. And mostly, I'm providing the training on AWS and Google Cloud hybrid technology, plus Kubernetes into the Google Cloud. That is a very mature cloud. I'm providing that. Plus, Linux is definitely required. And I'm working in the big one MNC, okay, as a senior DevOps architect or consultant, you can say. I'm the corporate trainer as well. I'm your mentor as well. Most of the time, if I will get a corporate training requirement, I'm providing the training. I'm going to their office. Around 2 years back, I was most of the offices I have visited, but at this point, everything is virtual. I'm providing the training from the Bangalore location itself. Okay, I publish lots of articles, learning blogs, YouTube videos are there. You are very welcome to see my videos as well. Okay, everywhere you will see this face. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone here who knows me from a long back? Anyone? Sindhu, I think you came from the referral, right? Or who else came from the referral?
Yes, Vikas.
Okay.
Yes, because even we came from referral.
Correct. So you came from the referral means that person knows me from whatever you
Yes,
know from the last 1 year or more. Right?
Right.
Yes, Vikas.
Good. That's okay. And 3-4 students are from the referral. I'm very happy for that. Okay. Cool. And yeah, we are providing the community support, 100% placement assistant, PPT materials, everything into the share drive, all DevOps tools and AWS focus training. We are providing it. Live projects, 20+ application modules, services, labs, practicals are there. Training from 10+ year experience, interview preparation. If you miss any of the batch, you can join my next immediate batch without any cost or free of cost. Okay, these are the reasons you have to come to me. Okay, plus you will get a very good knowledge as well, for sure. Okay, and this is the question for you guys, because you all are from the different background, and how you can become a DevOps engineer. Okay, or who can become a DevOps engineer? Any support engineer or any IT support engineer, yes, you can become a DevOps engineer, because in the DevOps, Aditya, mute yourself. in the DevOps profile, you can see some contribution from the operations people as well. OPS. What is DevOps? Development plus operation. Some developer, some operation people combine in a team and they work. That is a DevOps. You can see here, IT operations support engineer. If you're working into this role, you are already into a 50% of DevOps. Okay. You have to learn cloud, you have to learn the tools, you have to learn the L3 or L4 level work, and you will become a DevOps engineer. Are you guys agree with this point? Or who are the support engineer you want to come into the DevOps training, or you want to learn the DevOps? What is your reason? Can you guys give me this answer? Go ahead. Manu, Sindhu, please say something. Shikha, Surendra. No answer. Okay, I will tell you. Guys, see, if you are already into the operation, you are already working into L1 and L2 level of work, okay, into the Linux. If you will bring your level up, or wherever you are escalating the things, what they are doing, if you will learn that part, you will become a DevOps engineer. So I'm telling IT operation or support engineer can become a DevOps engineer. Manual testers or automation testers, you are already coming into the dev part. You are not writing the code, but as you are an automation engineer or you are a tester, you are already into the dev part. You have to little bit learn about the operation things and you can become a DevOps engineer easily. Network engineer. In our DevOps also, little bit networking is required. When we will talk about the VPCs, cloud, virtual private cloud, then network is required. So I'm telling that, yes, if you are a network engineer, you are most welcome for this course. Freshers, you have to learn everything. You have to start the things. And if you will learn the things which is good as a futuristic, you must have to come into this learnings as well. And anyone who want to grow, who want to become a part of the growing technology, or you want to become a DevOps engineer, you can learn it. Developers are always coming, as well as operation people are always coming here. Okay, the reason is, if you are a developer, you will get a very good salary. If you are an operation, you will get a double of your package from your operation background. Okay, that's why you can come into the DevOps. Is anyone here who has a question? Sir, is I'm able to make the DevOps engineer or not? I can become a DevOps engineer or not? I want to give the answer. Anyone here? Guys, I want to talk with you. Please unmute. At least anyone unmute. Parth, Rohit, Raghu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Parth. Parth, it will be good if you will little bit introduce yourself. What's your name and what you are doing? Yep.
I was working as an analyst in Amazon for around 2.5 years.
Which analyst? There are lots of
Uh,
analysts are there.
Workflow analyst.
Workflow analyst. Okay. How much technical work you are doing in Amazon?
So technical zero, we can say only we have all the reports and everything ready. Only the monitoring part we used to do and inform operations regarding the same.
Okay, cool. So Parth, for you, if you will, you are already have a big name or big tag, right? You just have to add technical things in your resume and you will become a very good DevOps engineer as a Amazon people, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Good. Anyone else here? Want to introduce yourself? Anyone? Yelsi, I want to talk with you. You told that you are a fresher.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi Yelsi. You are a fresher, right? What you did?
Sir, I have completed my B in Electronics and Telecommunication this year
Which year?
only.
This year means 2022, right? And from
Yes, sir.
July to December, what you are doing?
Sir, I was learning some basics of web development, so I have completed HTML,
Okay, which
and then
city?
I get
No,
in.
see, if you are learning HTML, from which city you are?
Sir, I'm from Raipur, Chhattisgarh.
Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Okay. See, if you will learn HTML, CSS, .NET, you will be into the Raipur only. Okay. You will not able to come out. Okay. So you don't
Yes,
have to
sir.
learn that thing. Okay. You will get a 5,000 rupees job in Raipur. That's only thing. 10,000 rupees maximum. Okay.
No, sir. Actually, I was my first topic was HTML. I was completing. I'm
Okay.
doing that right now.
Okay. But see, after that, what? From
Yes, so
wherever you are doing
that's
that
why I
HTML
joined.
course, see, from wherever you are doing that HTML course, they will
Hmm.
give a placement of 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees to you. And I don't want anyone to do that,
Yes, sir.
right? So you learn, it's okay. You can help me out with your HTML skills, okay, in my this session, okay, online resume creation, which we are creating with the help of and with the help of HTML. Someone who joined yesterday, who joined yesterday?
I have joined, sir.
Yeah, Shrika, yesterday we saw a little bit HTML, right? If
Yeah.
what we can say, Yelsi was with us, we will able to do some changes into the HTML as well, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Yelsi, your experience will work only in this part for us. Okay, nothing else,
Okay.
because you are into
Okay.
the web development. That's why. Okay, but my puzzle suggestion, it's okay, you did it, but do something which is useful for you to bring out from small city to big city and outside the India. Okay,
Yes, sir.
cool, good. Okay, anyone else who want to introduce yourself? Highest experience person, 6 years, 8 years. Yamanas, go ahead.
Sorry, 5 year, 5+ experience.
Okay, cool. As a
IT ops and knock operation
cool,
in
good.
micro focus India. And currently company acquired by OpenText.
Okay, cool. That's good. Means you will be into the knock only, or you are moving your profile also get upgraded.
Thinking to go to DevOps only, internal movement.
Okay, then I have a one suggestion. Okay, from
Yes.
today onwards, whatever the team who is working into the DevOps or cloud, start finding that people. Okay, because whatever is your things which your team is not able to do it will go to L3, L4 or DevOps team. Okay,
Yes, sir.
make a contact with them, what they are doing it, understand, use my knowledge, use this training knowledge, and move internally within a target of 2 months only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same like you, one person in last batch 27. Okay. His name is Utkarsh. Okay. I will show you.
Mhm.
Uh,
Sirji, currently also I'm working with this one, Jenkins and Grafana.
good.
So only basic things I know, not
Correct.
more.
Okay. That's good. Okay. Means basic, you know the installation also.
Installation, no, only URL we are using for
Okay. Okay.
Jenkins and for
Then I will teach everything. Then I will teach everything. You don't have to worry. Okay. So I'm telling that one person who joined the same thing. Okay, he moved into the 15 days into the DevOps team internally. Okay, you
yes.
can see that video. It's already available from the batch 27 somewhere. Okay.
Yes, sir. And currently, like our company completely moving to AWS. They are having 27 data center, physical data center. They already almost they closed everything. Only one in Bangalore, only one is there. That
Correct.
is only they are showing to customer. That's all.
Correct. Then you
But
must have,
all 80% move.
correct. Then you must have to move into AWS also. Okay.
Yes, AWS and GCP. Both
Correct.
are you want to learn.
Yes, I'm providing the same training. Okay, hybrid
Yes,
cloud, AWS and GCP. Cool.
yes,
Very good.
yes.
I'm really happy, Manas.
Thank you, sir.
Cool, guys. Yeah. And guys, some more FAQs. Okay. Like when we are going to start, we are going to start from today, 12 December to 2022, Monday to Friday, batch number 28, 8 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. IST. Okay. And this is around 50 plus or 60 plus online training. I will take care of everything. Whatever I'm showing into the days, I will take care of everything. I will not run fast. I will not run very slow. Whatever we have decided, we will take care of that. Okay, around 2.5 months or 11 to 12 or 13 weekends I need, but this is a regular batch, so around 50 plus classes will happen for sure. Okay, 100% placement assessment with the community support with multiple internal referrals we are providing to you. Okay, interview preparation, resume making, training certificate, no coding or no prior experience required. If you already know coding, you can go into the development profile. Okay, but I'm not going to teach you coding. Okay, or I'm going to teach you whatever is required to become a DevOps engineer. That all things is already in my course, but you don't have to worry about the coding. The reason being, you are going to become a DevOps engineer. Okay, you are not going to become a developer, so no coding required. If any of the gap is there, like 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, you can fulfill with my training certificate as well. We are providing the training certificate. You can say that you are doing the training from this institute and you learn the thing which is required in your company Be confident and say that, sir, whatever I learned it, I can do the work in your company from the day one itself, and you will get a job easily. Okay. Your confidence matters here. Guys, any question related to this? Yes, Suraj. Aditya.
Yeah.
Go
So
ahead.
means, I am from Noida.
Cool. Okay.
So it will affect in any interview means that interview campus selection means if you are referring in Bangalore.
See, if you get a job, you have to go to Bangalore if they're calling to office. 1 point. If they're going the remote work, you are very good. You don't have to worry for that part.
No, that for interview point I'm asking.
For interview, everything is online at this point. Okay. You don't have too much worry. Because if I'm giving any interview, I never went to from the last 3 years due to the COVID, and now also they are not at all calling for the offline interviews. Okay. Everything is becoming online. They are recording, they are checking your ID proof like this, and you don't have to worry.
And where is your office in Bangalore?
It's in Hibal. Hibal. Okay. Whoever is from the Bangalore, they know Hibal is very near.
Yeah, I have also lived in Bangalore.
Okay, cool.
I just means come Noida.
No need to worry then. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Good. And okay, fine. Anyone else want to introduce yourself? One more person I want to take. Anyone? Just unmute and speak first. Anyone who want to? No one? Pankaj, your hand is already up. You want to say something? Because I want to know my students in a better way. At least, yeah. Go ahead, Pankaj.
Yeah, actually, I'm from Bihar.
Okay.
And recently I joined some company as a support engineer, but I don't have much knowledge in that DevOps and all the support engineer also. But I just keep learning these things. So I just introducing my just in a DevOps part. So is it good for me, this course?
See, Pankaj, it's a very good for you. How much back you joined this? What we can say support?
Last 3 months.
And okay, and you have only 3 months experience, right?
Yes.
Okay. Pankaj, you are able to do the work whatever they are giving to you from the last 3 months?
Actually, I just learned from my senior also.
Okay.
That just follow that things and keep learning.
But till how many months they will do the same thing, right? It will never happen, right? So what you can say, if you will learn my, what we can say in my course, at least this part, okay, module 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me go to my website. At least what DevOps do, what Linux administration or AWS, you will able to survive, or you will be a champ in your team, okay, in the next 6 months. Okay, learn these things, you will be a champ in your team, you will able to perform all the activities, okay, with the automated tools. At this point, there may be chances they are doing manually, or they have written some steps, playbook, runbook kind of concept, and you are following that. Okay, but if you will able to understand the Linux, you will be a champ in your team. Okay. So I will definitely encourage you. You must have to learn this part, and within a 6 month or within a 1 year, you can switch your company and you will be into the double package.
Yeah, sure.
Cool. Yep. Okay, nice. I get to know this from this batch. Most of the students are into the right direction. Okay, and you are learning the AWS and cloud. That's really good for us. Okay, if you are completely from the non-technical, non-different field, you can talk with me one-to-one as well in my mobile phone. Okay, if you want.
And I am not added to WhatsApp group.
Aditya, you haven't joined me yet. Okay, who have already joined us, we have added you. Okay, if you guys
but
want,
I have registered already.
Okay, Aditya, ping me on WhatsApp. I will add you. Okay.
Hi, because for me also I haven't.
Your number?
Oh my God, you don't have my number. My number is top on the website. 9993445100.
Okay, I will ping you.
Okay, cool, good. And guys, I will create a one WhatsApp group also. No need to worry. Okay, for you all. No need to worry. Okay. And guys, the reason behind it, you have to take the proper training or proper learning. The reason behind it, if you will learn the things by own or only by YouTube, or only by Udemy. The reason behind it, from Udemy, you will get a knowledge, but how you will clear your doubts? You will never clear your doubts, so that you will never complete one topic. Okay, that's the biggest problem. And if you will learn the things by own from the YouTube or something like that, some random videos you will follow, then you will be stuck at the place, or you will not able to clear your doubts, or you will not get a proper direction where to go. If you will see my website from module 1 2 3, this 40 days or this 50 days, you have to learn this. So there is a proper guidance. You have to follow this. You can clear your doubts, and you will be comfortable, and you can close the chapter that I know the DevOps fundamental, I know the Linux. You have learned this thing, revise one time and close that chapter. Done. You have learned the AWS top 10 services, learn it, do the practical, close the chapter that I know it. Let's me jump into the do the practicals as well. Okay, let me do the real-time work on AWS. It will be like that. Okay, otherwise, if you will see from a very big picture, this many tools are available in DevOps, and which one you have to know, which one, how much you have to know, how much you have to learn, that you don't have the answer. Okay, because if you will pick any of the tool, there is no ending of that. Anyone who already started learning any of the tool, okay, if you will not leave the tool, you will learn for the next couple of years only. And we don't have to learn only one tool for 1 year. Okay, not like that. You have to learn how much you have to learn, that we have already decided. I've already made the practical PPTs accordingly. Okay, and then I will give you the topic wise interview question also, that whatever the topic we will complete, you have this much 20 or 30 interview questions for that. You can read it, and you are ready to go for the interview for that particular topic, add it in your resume and go for the interview. That is my things, how we are doing it. Okay, and what all things we are going to learn in our batch, these all tools we are going to learn. Coding is primarily on Python, as well as little bit on Java. Okay, plus we will manage all the code into the with the help of Git and GitHub. We will do the things into the Windows as well as Linux environment. If the Java code is there, with the help of Maven, we will build it. Okay, and as soon as we will build it with the help of Jenkins, we will make the CI, and we will do the deployment into any of the remote machine as well. Plus we have 3 different projects are there, which are the different perspective of the DevOps operations or DevOps tools. Plus we are doing the things on the AWS as well as on the Google Cloud. We will do the containerization things with the help of Docker as well as Kubernetes as well. We are doing the automation with the help of Ansible and Terraform into the operate part. Plus we are doing the monitoring with the help of Prometheus, Grafana and Splunk. If required, we will bring the Splunk as well into the picture, and we are going to learn. So these all tools which I am going to teach to you into the next 2.5 months. Okay, Suraj, okay, you can have a look into the recording as well. Okay, recording, I will upload it. I will give a link. Just be here only for 1 second. YouTube channel. Okay, and here is the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel. Okay, you can come into the playlist. Just 1 second, I will give you a link. Batch 28. The recording will, today's class recording will be available into this link. Okay, and if you missed it, you can have a look from this link. Okay, no need to worry. Yeah, and yeah, these all tools we are going to learn in our couple of days. Okay, 2.5 months. And we will start our journey, what exactly the AWS is, what exactly the DevOps is. We are going to teach into the today's class only, no need to worry. But after learning AWS, you have to go, or if you will write only the very basic certification exam, that is a Cloud Dictionary, and you will get a very good package that is with the help of Cloud Dictionary, and that I will cover up everything in my batches. Okay, in my classroom, I will cover up all these things. Secondly, how many people want to become a DevOps engineer or cloud engineer? I hope everyone. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vikas.
Yes, you can.
Okay. And how many jobs you need? You need 1 or 2 for counter offer, 3 for big counter offer, right? But if you will see here, for DevOps and AWS, around 39,000 jobs are available. 39,000 jobs are available into the market. Okay, you just need a 1 or 2 job to get it, and we are preparing for this. And I will help you out with this how to get a call from the Naukri as well. Okay, around 39,000 or 40,000 jobs are available, and we need only one. Are you agree with my point?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So there are more chances you can become a DevOps engineer easily. You don't have to worry, sir, if we will learn it, we will get a job or not. If you will learn it, definitely you are able to crack it, and 39,000 openings are available at this point in only one website, Naukri.com. Okay, with only DevOps and AWS part. If you will see, some more roles are there. If you will see DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, SRE, AWS, you can work into all these different profiles as well with my course. But if you will see only AWS and DevOps, 39,000 openings are there. If you will combine some other profiles as well, you will get more openings. Okay, more openings are there. So you don't have to worry that we will get a job or not. You will get a job for sure. Just learn it and apply your profile into the Naukri. I will help you out for everything. Internal referrals are very good for you. Okay, cool. And after learning this, how much salary you will get it? If you will see Stack Overflow, don't trust me. Okay, if you guys already know what is the Stack Overflow, guys, can you please let me know what is Stack Overflow? Anyone? Stack Overflow, what is Stack Overflow? Okay, so
They will provide some solutions to the
they will provide services. No.
solutions
For-
to the.
Okay, it's a community who will provide us solutions, or you can post your question and you will get an answer or solution over the Stack Overflow. Yes, that's correct. And Stack Overflow has published one article. They are telling that which category or which engineers are getting a highest salary. You will see here, US DevOps engineers are getting the highest salary. In United Kingdom, UK, DevOps engineers are getting the highest salary. In India, DevOps engineers are getting the highest salary compared to data engineer, data scientist, desktop, embedded, full stack, backend, anyone. Okay, DevOps engineers are getting highest salary in Germany as well. If you will see your friends where they reach, either they reach US, UK, Germany, India, or Australia, primarily, or Canada. 4, 5, 6 countries people are moving. And if you will see it everywhere, the DevOps engineer salary is the highest. Okay, so you will be into there is a one big motivation to come into the cloud and DevOps. One reason, everyone can learn it. There are lots of openings are there. The highest package as compared to any other profile. The biggest reason to become a DevOps engineer. Are you guys okay at this point? Agree with my point? Yes, no?
Yes, Vikas.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Manoj, Mriyank, Nivya, Parth, Shubham, Suraj.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
Yelsi, you are also agree as a fresher?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay. See, the reason behind or become a DevOps engineer, anyone can learn DevOps. Yes. If you're coming from any other profile, you get a proper guidance, you can become a DevOps engineer. You don't require any coding. You have to be understand how the tools work, and you will get a job. Okay. And you will become a DevOps engineer. Easy to get a job because learning can be very specific. Okay. You have to learn this part and you will get a job. Okay. Faster career growth. Every year you can switch the company, or what you can say, whenever you get a good offer, you can switch the company and you will get lots of offers internally as well. Your career growth will be very fast. Software failure. Aditya, I'm muting you. Software failure, or what we can say, software failure will be very less, or manual work will be very less, because we are doing everything with the help of tools. Development cycle will be faster. If you will see the DevOps logo, the infinity loop, this infinity loop will run faster because everything is happening with the help of tool. Your value in your company will get increased. The reason behind it increasing your value is at this point you are working into L2, L3 or support. People will not give that much value or that much respect to you, right? If you will come to the DevOps engineer role or cloud role, people will always be behind you, how you are doing the things, what you are doing, what new you are doing, what new you are implementing, because there are lots of new things will always be available into the cloud. In the data center, people are not creating any new innovations. In the cloud, AWS, Google, or every cloud provider is doing the automations or new things bringing up, new features are coming. If you will get little bit idea about it, you will be very good into that terms. Okay, become respected into the IT profile, knowledgeable across the full software development life cycle. Okay, I'm not telling this thing. These are has to be told by the some articles or some institute people as well. Okay. Top 5 reasons to learn DevOps. Anyone, easy to get a job, faster career growth, shorter development cycle, software failure will be less, like that. Okay. And some other institute also telling this very same. Anyone can learn the DevOps, easy to get a job, faster career growth. This article is already available. I'm putting it here. Okay. Guys, if you have any question, any query, this is my mobile number. You can talk with me anytime. Just drop me a message. Better message me, or then you can call me and we will talk. Okay. Here are my email addresses. You can send me a mail if you want. If you want to discuss anything, I will definitely respond it to you. Or you can put into any of the social media. But fastest will be WhatsApp. You can message me. I will be free. I will respond to you. And we made already a lots of success story. Okay, if you will see my WhatsApp, okay, I will show you my WhatsApp. Just give me a second. And let me pick the keywords. Okay, I have lots of success story which we have made it. If you will put the selected keyword into my WhatsApp, okay, you can see here selected. Okay, see selected in Square Up. See, you can see here in the batch 25 got selected in Ericsson as a DevOps engineer. Okay, selected in Square Ops technology. Okay, also got selected. Okay, sir, also selected in Hypna technology with 3.5 package, and like that there are lots of. I also selected according to you. Okay, and there are lots of placement if you will see here in my thing. But my friend need assurance that select. Okay, leave it. I got selected for Infosys as well, right? If you will see here, lots of selections happen in my previous batches. This is my WhatsApp I've opened in front of you. Okay, and if you will see here, congratulations, you can see there are lots of congratulations in everywhere. Okay, see, yeah, many congratulations. I think 6th or 7th offer. Do you want to see this guy? How many offers he got it? Let me make my full screen. Sir, after Coforge, it's the 8th offer. My God. Guys, you are able to see my screen? Yes, no?
Yes,
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Another organization I cracked, but it's a very small, so I didn't accept the offer. This is when he talked 8-2. Okay, means when he was talking with me, he was talking. See, he provided his resume, less confident, improve communication. I'm giving the feedbacks also. Okay, because I took his interview, I told that less confidence. Okay, multiple profile issue in his resume, maybe some profile issue or whatever it is. We corrected the things, and you can see after. See, I given feedback in January. Okay, and in February he got that, sir, I got I got offer in the Coforge with 8.5 package. That's good now. I'm not telling of new things, right? I'm telling the old things, my previous student. And I was most of the time I'm talking with him, and after Coforge it's 8th offer, right? 1 year duration, 8th offer. Is that good? Yes or no? You also want to be like this, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, and not only one person, you can see everywhere congratulations. Okay, Ankit Sharma. Okay, okay, engagement congratulations, leave it. Capgemini सर, जब से आप मैंने कुछ ITL के बारे में, okay, I have no knowledge. Okay, leave it. Sir, course duration, leave it. Where is the congratulations? I want to some guidance, leave it. But see, hi Vikas sir, Ankit this side. I selected in Paytm as a fresher for the DevOps engineer profile. I'm happy and excited to join the Paytm soon. Not now, man. It's on 5th month. Every time, see, I can't open every messages, right? Lots of things. Congratulations. I have some community groups also. See how many congratulations are there. Okay, congratulations. Lots of congratulations are there, man. See, Aman, okay, congratulations. Lot of congratulations everywhere. I can't open everything, right? Happy, place. Okay, this keyword looks good, placed. Okay, let me open this place keyword in my. I got placed as a manager, IT manager. Okay, I place. Success story. Where is my place? Any other student? Sorvesh. This is coming from the meet and greet. Okay. I placed in one company. Okay. Name is Extra Technology. Just informing you. Super, very good. As a fresher, as a cloud engineer, man. Right. You can see here. I got placed in TCS. Uh, which one this time? I got placed this time. Nice, post into the group. Okay, Vikas. Then she posted into the group as well. Okay. And you can see here, I provided the enforcing cognizant interview Friday, Saturday, and lot of things. Okay, lots of placement happen everywhere. Okay. See here, Prasad, I got placed in Loxa Headwear. Okay. Happy to share that I got placed in Loxy Health. Thanks for your support. This is batch 22. Everywhere you can see lots of placements everywhere you can see in this. Okay. Rashmi, Rakesh, Monu offer lot of things. If you want to see, I can show you. And I'm making this success story, and you can see this success stories available into this place as well. That is as a meet and greet session. Okay. Here, lots of meet and greet session. Whatever students I'm showing, all students will be in this video. If you want, you can have a look freely. And yes, you will come to my batch. I will make your success story as well very soon. Is that okay? Looks good? Cool?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay. I think guys, it's 9:36. Okay. I would like to take your questions at this point. Okay. And we will continue in the tomorrow session, what exactly the AWS, traditional AWS kind of thing, and lot of things we have to learn. Okay. I would like to stop at this point, and I want to take your questions. Any student, anyone, any questions, feel free to ask, please. Yeah, Manas.
So everyday class will be from 8 to 9:30.
Yep, definitely yes. Because I have to respect your time. Some student has to go to office as well.
Yes, yes.
Okay, around 9:20. You have to stop me, sir. Please stop. Okay, and let's take the questions. For next 10-15 minutes, we will take the questions until the questions will get completed. Then we will wind up the class. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Cool. The timing will be 8 a.m. For a couple of days, 8, 8 to 8:05 we will start. But from the next week or from this Friday, Thursday, Friday, 8 a.m. IST, I am starting. Okay. Yeah. But
So any evening batches are there?
No, at this point, no.
Okay.
In future, if I will start it, I will post into the group.
Because one of my friend interested, but she's working in second shift, so she told she may not join.
Second shift means they can come into the morning, right? It will be good.
No, 2 to 11. She worked only.
She work in 2 to 11, na? So she can come.
So no. She has to sleep, sir. At least
12 to 7 is more than enough for human being. 8 hours is more than enough.
No, sir. Like here, like if we get any incident, so we may stretch another 2 to 3 hours also. Sometimes 1, 2 a.m. also we stretch. So in that case, she cannot join. She told if any evening batches are then it will be fine for her.
Evening will be not good for everyone. Okay, because learning will be happen into the morning. It will be good as I said. Okay? Because you need a digestion, you need a time to do the practicals as well. Okay, and you will get a full day to do the any of the practical, watch the recording, whatever you want. Okay? That's right.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay. What else? Guys, any other question? Technical, non-technical? Okay, I am stopping the recording. You can ask the question without recording as well.